In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site colors and fonts in Wix. Customizing your website's design not only helps to establish your brand's identity, but also enhances visitor engagement. So let's dive in and walk you through this process step by step. To get started, head over to the Wix website editor. If you haven't logged into your Wix account already, make sure you do so, and then locate your website from the dashboard and click on Edit Site. This will bring you to the Wix editor where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look for the Site Design button. Clicking on this will open up a menu that focuses on the overall color and theme settings of your website. It's the central hub for tailoring the aesthetic of your site to better fit your brand's image and vision. Navigate to the Color Theme option next. This is where you can choose and modify the color scheme of your entire website. When you select a color theme, it applies a cohesive set of colors across most elements of your site, ensuring a consistent and professional look. After you've explored color themes, you might want to head back to the Site Design menu. Click Back to Site Design to return to the main design options. This is a good time to consider the overall theme or style of your site if you're thinking about making broader changes than just color. In the Site Design menu, you'll find an option to Change Theme. Clicking on this allows you to browse through a variety of pre-made site themes that can give your site an entirely different look and feel. This includes different layouts, motifs, and styles. So, take your time to explore and select a theme that resonates with your brand and audience. After settling on a theme, move to the text options. Simply click on any text box on your site that you want to modify. You'll see an Edit Text button appear, which will give you control over the text elements. While in text editing mode, you'll be able to choose a font that fits your brand's personality. Wix offers a wide array of fonts, so you can select something modern, classic, or whatever vibe you're going for. Then once you've chosen a font, you can type in the font size. This ensures that your text is readable and appropriately scaled to the layout of your site, which is crucial for both desktop and mobile views. Finally, click on Color within the text settings to choose your font color. This is the finishing touch to make sure your text stands out and is on brand with your website's overall color scheme. With these steps completed, you can easily transform the look of your website to captivate your audience with your unique style and branding. And there you have it, a fully customized website using Wix's powerful design tools. So, go ahead and bring your creative vision to life. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!